Step into the world of next-generation graphics technology
with the ASUS NVIDIA ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 Super.
This GPU provides seamless performance where every aspect of its design allows for unmatched airflow and maximum potential. Powered by NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology and boasting the ultra-efficient ADA Lovelace architecture, this card is a true game changer. Full ray tracing capabilities ensure stunning visual realism, pushing the boundaries of immersion like never before. So let's take a closer look at this stunning GPU. Bigger and better. Axial Tech fan spins on dual ball bearings and have been scaled up to propel 23% more air through the card, setting the stage for lower temperatures, less noise and higher performance. The innovative design of the two-side fans ensure they rotate counterclockwise, strategically minimizing turbulence and optimizing airflow dispersion across the heatsink. When GPU temperatures dip below 50 Celsius, all three fans gracefully come to a halt, allowing for quiet enjoyment of less demanding games or light tasks. As temperatures rise above 55 Celsius, the fans resume operations according to a carefully calibrated speed curve, striking a perfect balance between performance and acoustic comfort, whether you're working or playing. Designed to effectively absorb heat generated
with the ASUS NVIDIA ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 Super.
This heat is then swiftly and effectively whisked away by the trio of Axial Tech. The metal exoskeleton is a robust structure surrounding the PCB of the GPU. It's made of high-quality die-cast materials, including the frame, shroud, and backplate. These components are tightly fitted around the PCB, providing exceptional rigidity and support. Additionally, they are strategically designed to direct airflow in a way that optimally cools the internal components of the GPU. All of this combines to push performance to the max. Now, एक और interesting feature बताता हूँ, जो है Aura Sync. ASUS Aura Sync is a software utility that allows users to customize the RGB lighting effects on their ASUS products. The GPU features Aura-compatible ARGB lighting elements on the shroud and along the right side of the card. These lights can be customized with various colors and effects, allowing you to personalize your setup. The GPU also comes with a graphic card holder and a screwdriver to help you build with ease. Now, let's put this GPU to the test. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU redefines speed for both gamers and creators. They harness the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture, propelling performance and unleashing AI-powered graphics like never before. Dive into immersive virtual worlds with stunning ray tracing and experience ultra-high FPS gaming with minimal latency. Explore groundbreaking avenues for creation and enjoy uninterrupted workflow exploration. So let's check out Cyberpunk 2077 and see what this beast can do. Now, let's turn on ray tracing and DLSS 3 and see the performance boost we can achieve. Discover the RTX AI advantage, built for the era of AI. GeForce RTX GPU features specialized AI tensor cores that deliver cutting-edge performance, from enhanced creativity and ultra-efficient productivity to ultra-fast gaming. The ultimate in AI power on Windows PCs is on RTX. Over 500 top games and applications use RTX to deliver realistic graphics and incredibly fast performance. DLSS 3 is a revolutionary breakthrough in AI-powered graphics that massively boosts performance while maintaining the great image quality and responsiveness. The NVIDIA ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 Super delivers exceptional performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and amazing visual quality. With the DLSS 3 and ray tracing enabled, take your gaming experience to the next level, giving you almost 4 times your frame rates. Now, that's not all this GPU can do. It's also built for live streaming with features like NVIDIA Encoder, AI-enhanced voice and video, and the amazing NVIDIA Broadcast app to take your streaming and content creation journey to the new heights. So let me tell you a bit about these amazing features. The NVIDIA Encoder, also known as NVENC, is a hardware-based encoding engine built into NVIDIA GPUs. It's specifically designed to handle video encoding tasks, which involve converting video files from one format to another. NVENC offloads the encoding process from CPU to the GPU, allowing for faster and more efficient video encoding. This means that tasks like recording gameplay, streaming live content, or video editing can be performed with minimal impact. NVENC supports various video codecs such as H.264 and H.265, offering high-quality compression and reduced file sizes. The NVIDIA Broadcast app transforms any room into a home studio with noise and echo removal, virtual backgrounds, auto framing, better lighting, and so much more to take your live streams, voice chats, and video conference calls to the next level with AI-enhanced voice and video. From its groundbreaking AI-powered graphics to its unparalleled performance in gaming and content creation.
With the ASUS NVIDIA ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 Super.
With the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture at its core, the GPU not only redefines what's possible in gaming, but also revolutionizes the way creators bring their visions to life. Experience the lifelike realism of ray-traced virtual worlds. Achieve ultra-high FPS gaming with minimal latency and unlock unprecedented workflow acceleration for content creation. Step into the future of graphics technology and embark on a journey where boundaries are shattered and possibilities are endless. Elevate your gaming experience and unleash your creativity
with the ASUS NVIDIA ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4080 Super.
For the ultimate companion for gamers, creators and streamers alike. Thank you for watching. जाने से पहले एक लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। मैं मिलूंगा अब आपको अगली बार इन द नेक्स्ट वन।